The first question on the basis of this 6 type is, let's take this positive charge. So beta here in this, the second species will be this move to this side, and the second species form will be double bond here, and here comes the positive charge. So in these two species, this positive charge is on 2 degree carbon, and this positive charge is on 1 degree carbon. That means this is less alkylated, the positive charge on less alkylated and the positive charge on more alkylated carbon. And the rule is, the positive charge on more alkylated carbon atom is more stable. That means this species, positive charge on more alkylated carbon, is more stable than this species, right? This will again shift to this one, right? Now the second question, the same question we may take reference to negative charge, double bond, and here is a negative charge, right? So this will move, and the next species will be negative charge, and here comes the double bond. So beta here the rule is, negative charge on less alkylated carbon atom is more stable. Here this time this negative charge on less alkylated atom, negative charge on more alkylated atom. So negative charge on less alkylated atom is more stable. Hope that your all the queries, all the concept may be crystal clear about the resonance and the relative stability of the resonating structure, right? One thing I would like to say you, that if you like my lectures, my method, my questions, and my description, my define of method, so please like the video, subscribe the channel, and share the video as much as you can, because the video must be reach to the maximum number of students to make their concepts clear, crystal clear, right? I will make more videos on the basis of different miscellaneous questions, on the basis of different topics, right, for you. So beta, please share, like, and subscribe, right? Thank you. And some questions are there on the basis of resonance. So if conjugated system is there, then the resonance taking place in the molecule. So first we have to see whether the conjugation is there or not. If conjugation is there, then definitely the resonance will take place. Okay. So the first question is, here a double bond is there, sigma bond, double bond, sigma bond, and double bond. That means the conjugation is there between the double bonds, and here the delocalization of pair takes place because of the conjugated system. So that's why the resonance exhibit. These pi electrons shifted to this direction, then this pi electrons repel these pi electrons, and these pi electrons come on this carbon. So the first resonating structure will be CH2 double bond CH, CH negative, and it gets CH double bond CH single bond CH2 and positive this time. So here now this negative, this lone pair, sigma bond double bond, again in the conjugation, so resonance takes place with this double bond. So this comes here, and this time this come here. So the next resonating structure will be CH2 negative sigma bond CH double bond CH sigma bond CH double bond CH and single bond CH2 positive. Now beta, again these electrons moving towards this side, and again this space is formed. Clear? Now again these pi electrons shifted to this side and this to this side. So again this space is formed. So this is how the resonating structures takes place in this question. So because of the conjugation, the resonance exhibit. That means this molecule show conjugation and resonance. In next question, double bond, sigma bond, double bond, sigma bond and no further double bond. That means double bond, sigma bond and double bond. The conjugation is up to this carbon. So it is in this, the conjugation is between this carbon to up to this carbon. So it is fully conjugated. Fully conjugated. So now this is double bond, single bond, double bond. Here the conjugation and the structures will be CH3, CH, this move to this side and this move to this side. CH negative, CH, double bond CH, and here single bond CH2 and positive this time. And again this move to this side and this move to this side, and again this space is formed. Partially conjugated, it is partially conjugated, because the conjugation is not within the whole molecule, right? The conjugation system is restricted to the some area of the molecule, to the some part of the molecule. So if the conjugated system is restricted to the some part of the molecule, then it is said to be partially conjugated. If the conjugated system is in the whole molecule, then it is fully conjugated. So this is partially conjugated because the conjugation is not in the whole molecule. Now come to this one. So beta, in this question pi electrons are there, double bond, single bond and the positive charge. So the conjugation is there, and here also double bond, sigma bond and the positive charge. So conjugation is there within the whole molecule. That means it is fully conjugated, right? It is fully conjugated. Now the resonating structures of this. So this pi electrons, sigma and positive, this move to this side, and the species comes in existence is positive charge on this carbon, this side, this. Now again this move to this side, and the species come in existence are double bond and here positive charge and positive charge this time. This again move to this direction. The resonating structure will be double bond, positive charge and positive charge this time. Now beta, come to the fourth question. The fourth question is this. Beta, in this question the oxygen, you know, oxygen has the lone pair of electrons, and oxygen comes in second period, means that doesn't have the empty d orbital, and oxygen also doesn't have empty p orbital. That means it cannot accept the lone pair of electron in the empty orbital, because empty orbital is not present in oxygen atom. So here the oxygen atom is there, its octet is completed, and here is the negative charge. If the conjugation is there, negative charge, sigma and lone pair, but this negative charge, if this negative charge comes to here, the oxygen can't accept the lone pair of electron to the empty orbital, because empty orbital is absent. That's why this can't make the pi bond with the oxygen atom. That means the conjugation is not there, that means the resonance will not takes place. So resonance, this doesn't have conjugated system because the empty orbital is not present. Charge sigma, no empty orbital, so conjugation system is not there. Now next example. In the next example, this nitrogen atom has the lone pair of electrons, right? And this oxygen has positive charge. This lone pair can be donated to the positive charge, but this oxygen atom don't have empty orbital because the positive charge comes on the oxygen atom to share its electrons with the hydrogen atom. So 5 electrons, oxygen has the 6 electrons, 1 is given, that's why positive charge comes, 5 remaining and 3 shared. So 5 plus 3, 8 electrons are there. That means oxygen has completed its octet and oxygen comes in the second period. So all p orbitals are fully filled and this doesn't have any d orbital, any empty d orbital was not there because it is belongs to second period, right? So it can't accept the lone pair of electron present on the nitrogen atom to the itself empty orbital because empty orbital is not present. So the conjugation is not there. Double lone pair, sigma bond, neither kind of empty orbital. So conjugation is not there in this and the resonance will not take place at all. In this question, the nitrogen has the lone pair. Nitrogen has the lone pair of electron on it. And this time the positive charge, this positive charge is present on the carbon atom. And this carbon atom, positive charge is there, that means it has an empty p orbital, right? Because the carbon has 3 single electrons in the 3 p orbitals in excited state. So if 1 electron it is going to lose, so 1 p orbital becomes empty, which can be filled by the lone pair of the electron. So nitrogen has the lone pair of electron. If it is going to donate, then this carbon accept the lone pair of electron in the empty orbital present on it, the p orbital empty on that. So that's why the resonance exhibit, and the resonating structure will be now the positive charge comes on the nitrogen atom. Again this come and this species form. About the conjugation and the resonance. Thank you. Take care. But one thing I would like to say you, I am making your concept crystal clear with the help of suitable examples and questions are there. So please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel Brilliance Academy. This channel is Brilliance Academy, so please subscribe the channel. More videos are there. I will make more videos on miscellaneous questions on different topics. So please, the first thing you must do, that is like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Please. Thank you.